Okay, if you're doing woodwork, sooner or later, you're going to need to do some pocket holes. So we got some stuff to cure that. So let's get into it. First up, Masa. Show you the back. This is cool. It even came with a few screws. Even looks like it even came with some that's fine thread for hardwood. Some 2-inch screws, 1.25 inches. See, that's 175 piece. This is 300 piece. And then I have 300 2.5-inch screws, pocket hole screws. I was going to get either a Craig. I didn't really want to get the Craig one because it's plastic. I know everybody goes crazy over Craig jig stuff, but it was plastic, so I was going to get this brand, the Masa, which, I mean, this one does look like it's plastic, but the regular pocket hole jig, their brand is aluminum, and it has a thing where you can hook up the dust extractor on it on the back. But it was expensive. Then I seen this. This is awesome. Even comes with a big old carrying case. And no, it's Vevor, but no, they did not send it to me. I bought it. So let's get this stuff open and show you. This is, what is this? This is the 1.5 or 2-inch. Let's see, 2-inch, 2.5. And then here is the, what is it? 1.25 inch. Screws are coated, they're blue. They're for exterior, like if you're building furniture to go outside, patio furniture or whatever, flower boxes, whatever. So that's cool. Let's see, let me hold them up and show you. People are going to want to know. It came in a box like this. Of course, you know, I'm going to need to find somewhere else to put these. That's the 2-inch. And here's the 2.5-inch. Like I said, I'm going to have to find somewhere else to put them because them boxes are kind of flimsy and they're about to fall apart as it is. Now, one good thing, when I was looking at getting the Masa pocket hole jig, you know, with the clamp that holds it, where the board stands up, it doesn't come with a clamp, and it was double. I think this was, at the time, was $44, and it was, the Masa one was 100 and something, or right at 100, but it didn't come with a clamp, and it didn't come with these extra things that this one does. But I ordered this so you can, so you can lay it down on the board. And of course, it came with the drill bits and some screws and the drive adapters, the Robertsons, the square. Should have 2 in there. I didn't know that the Masa one and this one from Vevor had this, where you can lay it down on the board, and that's right there. Right? It's this piece. You lay it down on the board that's on the edge of the board. Then you do your pocket hole drilling. I didn't know this came with this, or I wouldn't have needed this one. But it's good that I have it, so now I don't have to keep switching them around. I just use that one for when I need to do holes on laying down the board, and this one when they're standing up. So you got to take this apart. You got to take this off, and this comes off. You see it's got metric on that side and standard on this side for how deep you want it, for how thick the board is you're drilling into. But what's cool about it is this. Now everybody knows the Craig one is plastic like this. This one is aluminum. This is cool. Now I seen a review on this. Somebody was complaining about it. Once you took it out of the foam in the case, it wouldn't fit back. I don't understand that. Maybe if you have to adjust this to a different length, this won't fit back because the foam is kind of cut out where this is at. But that don't really make a whole lot of sense. Anyway, let me get this put together, and I'll show you how it works. I got it put in here now. As you can see, you put your board, you stand your board up in here like this, or you can lay it down, whichever way you want to put it. And then you clamp this. You may have to adjust this if it ain't tight enough, but it's no big deal. You just turn it, and I think this nut goes over here to lock it where it don't move. But you can just leave it. It ain't like it's going to be turning. And then it's got the 3 spots up there. And of course, that's aluminum too. So this is awesome. This wasn't even half the price of the Craig and the other one. That, to me, I think is awesome. It also came with 2 rods and these 2 little L pieces right here. You can see it's got a set screw there and one over on that side for if you put this rod through this way or this way. And what that's for is if you're doing a longer piece. You see over here on this side, it kind of keeps it square with the pocket hole jig. Don't really know if you'd really need that, because once you put the board in here and clamp it down, it's pretty much going to stay square with this. But that could come in handy, I guess. Looks like it came with some extra bushings. Or no, that, you know what that is? That goes on your, those 2 things there. I don't know if you can see that or not. That goes on the drill bits. Came with some wooden dowels. That screw there is about to come out. Came with some wooden dowels to cover up the pocket hole once you put the screw and everything in. Came with some Allen wrenches, and it came with some pocket screws. Pocket hole screws. So that's awesome. Came with 2 drill bits, although it's not marked. Would have been nice if it would have been marked. They do feel awful sharp though, extremely sharp. But it would have been nice if it would have been marked, the sizes, and you had a little hole in that bushing that goes on here where you can see where you're setting it. That would have been nice. I think the Craig jig and that Masa one is set up like that. But this one ain't, who knows, but it does come with 2 of them. That way you could set them up for doing 3/4 or 1 inch material and then 1.5 inch material. You know, come with 2 different size Robertsons, or 2 different length rather. They're both the same size, I'm sure. Yeah, they're both the same size. Anyway, that's cool. Just in case you didn't have one of them, it came with them. And the selling point to me on this kit was the fact that it's made out of aluminum, not plastic. It's not going to break. And it came with a clamp. And this looks like it's nothing more than a welding clamp. I got several of these. It was supposed to have a big feet on it here. Like in this picture here. You see that? That way it holds it down better. But it should still work. Anyway, let me put this up and show you the Masa kit. This kit also comes with the long Robertson for the screws. It comes with some different screws. It looks like it also comes with 2.5, 2, and 1.25 inches. Here's the screws. Different screws it comes with. Here's the long ones. Oh, it even has some short ones. Probably 1 inch. And these here have a different type of head on them. You see that? I thought maybe these was the fine thread for hardwood so it don't split the wood. Yeah, they kind of are. Guess I'll find out when I read the package, right? Comes with the drill bit. And this can even be put in your impact driver, which I probably will just use it in a drill, or may use it in my little installation driver. It don't impact, but I could use this. And it comes with this, of course. And this is magnetic. You just set it. I don't know if you can. Does it have them on both sides? Yes, it does. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can see it, but there's settings, measurements here for you to set this at, and the little arrow on here for you to put it in there at. And you can slide it back and forth, but it's easier to just pick it up. That way you don't mess it up. It's magnetic, so it sticks to it. This is pretty cool. This is plastic too, but it feels like it's made pretty good. If anybody's ever used this brand, I think this is a popular brand, this Masa stuff. Just leave me a comment down there in the comment section and let me know. It comes with, of course, the collet thing that you put on the drill bit to set how deep you want to drill, and an Allen wrench to tighten it up. And it all comes in this handy little little case. That's pretty cool. We're going to get into some woodworking here. Stick around. It's going to be fun. Thanks for watching. Let's build something cool, right?